Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so the capture option, and all we have to do right now is to tap on the settings which are in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the photo settings right here, so we cannot find it in the general. We have to go to the photo settings section and tap on countdown duration. Let's tap on it. In this device we've got three different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay. After tapping on it, it will be immediately notified right here, so we can go back to the camera. And unfortunately in this device we do not have any kind of information right here that we've got the timer set, so it will be always a surprise if you will forget that you've set it previously. Alright, so let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on countdown duration again and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.